Hello, HubSpot users. I'm excited to guide you through another valuable HubSpot feature. Today, we will walk through setting up a playbook, using it to populate properties, and configure it to trigger automated workflows that keep your process running smoothly. Let's get started mastering HubSpot Playbooks and boosting your CRM efficiency. On the left menu, we go to Library, and we choose Playbooks. We are going to create a new playbook. On the left, we have some templates to choose from, but we're going to start from scratch. When we start a playbook from scratch, we have one example to edit. Now we can edit the question, and at the bottom part, we can update a property. Now we select a property type. In this example case, I choose contact, and now I have to select a contact property. For example, status. We save it, and after adding all our questions, we can publish it. After a playbook is published, we can go to Actions, and we can edit, unpublish, clone, manage sharing, or delete it. For this example, I will manage sharing to put it in private. At the right column on a contact record, we can find our playbooks. In this case, our playbook is named Add Title because I didn't add it at the beginning. Now, if we click here, we are going to get the drop-down of the property that we select before. In this case, we choose status equal to active. And now we are ready to log our playbook answers. Remember, we are doing this on a contact record, but we can also do this on a deal record. Now, on a deal record, I can also choose a playbook. For this example, I already choose a deal property, which will let us set a deal property value. And we can now see the properties with a value. We can also trigger workflows with playbooks. To do this, we go to Automation and Workflows. We are going to create a workflow from scratch, but you can also choose a template. In this case, we are going to do it contact-based. Now we are right on the workflow. Let's set up the triggers. To use playbooks in workflow triggers, we need to select when an event occurs. Now we can set up the filters for the trigger. After choosing has completed playbook log, we can add criteria. In this case, we are going to choose the playbook name. After choosing the playbook, we can add more criteria. For example, user ID. When we are done setting up our filters, we click on Done and we save it. Now we have our workflow trigger when a playbook is logged. Just add actions and enjoy.